The kitchen again, where Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you like to make at home. I'm gonna give you a simple oven baked shrimps, seasoned, marinated with flavor, taste, and delicious. Also, this can be served with couscous or whatever you like to eat with it. You can eat with some salad. Something very simple and fantastic. All right, guys, so please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, get your favorite recipes. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned and watch this amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team, so stay tuned. All right, so basically right over here I have some shrimps. Roughly I've been using 2 packs of shrimps. I remove the shells and get them clean up, washed off into some lemon juice. Right over here I have 2 cloves of garlic. As you can see, this is my garlic. I got some red onion, 1 tomato, and peppers, spring onion, and white onion also. All of these ingredients I'm going to be using straight inside of my shrimps right here, and I'm going to show you how to marinate it and get it seasoned. Over here I have a oven tray which I'm going to be using it for my baked shrimps. So hopefully guys will like this recipe. So please subscribe, stay tuned as we go and show you how to marinate your shrimps. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team and stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So guys, this is my garlic crusher I've been talking about. If you want to get your garlic crusher, as I say, you know where you can get your garlic crusher. Go straight to Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk. Purchase a garlic crusher. This is the way it operated. I'm gonna be using 2 cloves of garlic and my shrimps. Put in the garlic, squeeze it, and that's what exactly happened right here. Nowhere in the world you go and see something like this. You don't need to use your finger, your hand to do nothing and cut up yourself anymore. Alright, so that's the first thing I want to do, is put some garlic on the shrimps. Let's cover garlic. I'm gonna squeeze it straight inside of it. Look there. No matter how small the garlic it is, still squeeze it out. Nice one. Take out this and simple. Anything left and put this in the wash. That's it. Very easy and simple, guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simple put on the garlic. Make sure the garlic on it first too. Alright guys, then what we're going to do next is put some pepper. Nice, so that's the pepper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put just a pinch of garlic powder, not too much. This is some seafood and fish seasoning, so we're gonna put a little bit of this on it. Nice one. And we have the pepper on it already, so everything's looking good. Just a little bit of dry chili, not too much. Half teaspoon of the natural blending season. That is amazing blending season. Alright guys, it's on my YouTube channel. Second thing, we're going to put roughly about a tablespoon of oil, and then we're going to put some fish seasoning. Half teaspoon of fish seasoning. Some mixed herb. Just a little pinch of mixed herb. Mix it up. That look fantastic, guys. Is it? Yes. Second thing, I'm gonna get the red onion, and all I'm going to do is cut it into some slices, but a little bit more chunky, that they can also roast up in the oven. All right. And also white onion. I'm gonna use half of the white onion. Same way. Let's mix it up just like that. All right, then we have some peppers. We're gonna use red pepper and yellow pepper. Just gonna simple cut it down into some slices. That's the pepper, and this is the yellow pepper. Knife are very sharp, I have to be careful. That's the yellow pepper. Spring onion. Looking good. All right, we got one large tomato. What we're going to do is cut it into half and mix it up with it. It's the flavor also can go in it. That looks so good. Look at that. That looking so lovely. All right, so let's see. What we're going to do is put a little bit of the everyday season, half teaspoon of the everyday season. Did I have any paprika? Yeah, let's put a little bit of paprika. Just a little pinch of the paprika for color, flavor also. Nice. All right, guys. So you see, things looking good. Really, really good. Then what we need to do is to get a tray and just lay them in it like this. Alright, this is very important, this bit, how you're gonna be putting them in the tray, because you don't want them to mashed up, you want them to cook perfectly. So this is the perfect way how to lay them in the tray. All right, you don't want to get them mashed up and look horrible. So this is a perfect way of doing these shrimps, right? Guys, honestly, this is amazing recipe. Please do this at home. Tomato in the middle. Honestly. Lovely and nice. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. That is amazing. Yes, it's amazing. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically just take it from the oven, and as you can see, they're looking amazing. So now I'm gonna shear it up and make you guys see the way it look. All right, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So basically this is it right here. as you guys can see exactly what is taking place right here. So just now I turn on my stove. I just turn it on and gas mark. I'm gonna put it at 175. all right, so basically that's ready to go in the oven. So we're just gonna pop this straight in the oven now, guys, for 20 minutes. All right, so basically straight in the oven, and I know you guys definitely gonna like this one. Preheat the oven first, guys, because it's very important. And now we're gonna allow that to cook for about 20 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. This is amazing, guys. Look at that. Got couscous garlic bread and a lot more couscous and a lot more vegetables and all this roast tomato, green bean. This looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas, so stay tuned.